So I decided to show myself this house today, and I just thought I would walk up and see if the door was open, and it was. So let me lock it behind myself. All right, so this is a brand new home. And let's just look around. I love getting this opportunity to see houses when they are, I like the staging, but I like it when they're not staged as well. So you can really get a feel for it. So this is a true study. And I know that because it's a real basic lighting feature in here. I know that because this room does not have a closet. So this is a double door opening, which typically is your study. That's how they typically go when you know that it's a true study. A bedroom would have a closet. Not that you couldn't use it for a bedroom, but it's just that a bedroom, you know, would have a closet. Now this has your nice tall ceiling. I love the chandelier up there. Let me see if I can get it there. Beautiful chandelier. I like that. Amen. I want you to take your shoes off. I would if I had socks on. Well, I might take them off for them. This is cute. That's really cute. I like that. So there's carpet here on the stairway. Okay, let's go around this corner. I should have turned my car off. Left my car running. Okay, so this is a nice, oh, it's a coat closet, but it's also under the stairwell closet. That's great. And this is a nice big, well, it's not huge, but it's a good sized laundry room. It's enough to get your washer and dryer and some baskets and stuff in there. I would like it better if there was a closet in there, but you do have a closet right here where you can store some stuff. So that is good as well. Okay, I think this is the garage. Yeah, this is a nice, real good size 2-car garage. Yeah. And oh, look, they built a little mud space. That's cute. That's really nice to have. And this is the second bathroom. Okay, so this is a full bathroom with a tub. Never mind me. Nice tile. And since I'm walking through, I think I will go ahead and take my shoes off because I don't want to mess up there. Nice carpet, and I shouldn't be in here anyway. I am not in love with this carpet, but okay, this is a good closet. It's got shelving for the kids' shoes and whatnot. It's got the double racks. Oh, well, double bar on one side and single bar on the other side. Okay. My car is still out there, just a running. And this is the good size, nice good size bedroom. I like that. I like the bathroom. Okay. So down here it looks like you have your study. You've got your, ooh, that mirror looks cheap. I'm sorry. That mirror looks cheap. Okay, I'm gonna have a master bedroom down here too. Now this is a good size. This is a good size living room, living area, nice fireplace, nice windows here, nice size eating kitchen, nice size bar, cabinets. Oh yeah, I like this. I like this. I actually wish that I could wash dishes at my house from the island, but mine is the opposite. Well, not the opposite. My stove is like that as well, but I wash dishes on that side of the kitchen too, not in the island. And I really like the way they have this. Okay, so they have the double oven, the microwave, the nice, nice, good cabinets. I love this. Let's go look at the pantry. Oh yeah. Let me stand off so y'all can see it. This is a good pantry, y'all. Ooh, yeah. Nice size pantry. Yeah, you can get in there. Shelving all the way around. I love it, okay. And you go upstairs, it's got a bridge. I love the way those bridges look. It always freak me out a little bit to walk across, but I love the way they look. And look at this good sized backyard. I don't like the way the people upstairs at their house can see inside of your house, but that's just the way it goes in a subdivision. This is a good size. And I love the fence back there. Nice, wide, level backyard. Love the level. Let's just look in here a little bit. It's gonna be beautiful when they, if they, and I recommend that they do put knobs and handles, but I really like the black in here. All right, here's another, what looks to be, yeah, it's a little pantry closet right here, which is really great because you can put your blankets and stuff like that. Everything doesn't have to be just out. This is an interesting carpet choice. Now, I love this bedroom. I love a good half, whatever this is, hexagon window, half hexagon, I don't know. This is a good sized bedroom. Real good sized bedroom. I think I'd put my bed over here on this wall. There we go. Then I'd have a little seating area over there. Then I'd do the TVs and the dressers and stuff over here. Yeah, this is pretty. Okay, let's turn and do the bathroom. Okay, nice size. Ooh, they gave you shelving. Oh, that's so cute. Bevel glass shelving. That's so cute. Oh yeah, nice size tub. That's great. But you know what? They're gonna have to put some blinds up in here and a curtain because this window is, it's not shaded, frosted, yeah, or anything. Okay, I love, love, love this, whatever this is. Countertop, I love that. I love the tile. But unfortunately, it doesn't stay clean, looking clean, good. But, you know, if they regularly clean up, you know, it'll be beautiful. You just have to mop all the time. But yes, I love this tub that they have in here. Shower, you got your double sink, your couple sink, and oh yeah, oh my God. Yes, 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 it's equal on both sides. So nobody has to feel slighted. I feel so slighted in my closet. But this closet is equal on both sides. That's great. That is great. See that? Love that. Oh, I like this house. Only thing that I'm not crazy about so far is the carpet. The onlyest thing. All right, we in here. The door is locked. Might as well go upstairs. And I don't have my shoes on. If anybody messed up, it's not me. All right, here we go. I'm gonna hurry up. Here goes. Okay, they got a media room. I was just talking about media rooms last night. They got this nice big open loft, living area, media room to the back. Okay, so there's 2 bedrooms downstairs. Guys, this is a big old house. Another one of these closets where you can store your blankets and I think somebody might be coming in. So y'all, why was I just having the best time showing us the house and I heard a garage door start coming up. So I was like, oh my God, I got to get out of here. So I ran down the stairs, put my shoes back on, and I went out the door. I did see somebody sitting in a truck, but he didn't say anything to me, thank God. So I just ran up there, got the little paper for the house so I could see what was going on, you know, see what I missed and see what the square footage was and see how much the house cost, hopefully. So I opened up the little thing, got my paper out, hopped in the car and left. But anyway, let me tell y'all about this house. And if you are in the, if you're in Texas, you're interested in moving to Texas or you're already in Texas, reach out because I'm not a real estate agent, but my cousin is. And I will hook you up with her if you would like to see this house or any others like it. She is a Texas fully certified real estate agent, and she can show you this house and sell it to you if you want to buy it or any other one anywhere else in Texas. So reach out to me in the comments and I will I'll give you my Instagram, and then that way you can message me and get a hold of her. All right. So this house was 3,185 square feet. Wow. Huge. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. It did have a study. Of course, it was 2 stories, and it's $549,999. It is brand new. It's available, ready to move in. And so yeah, and it was actually they were building an entire subdivision where I was. And so there's house after house. A lot of them are sold, but a whole bunch of them are just sitting there empty, available, ready for somebody to come along and buy them. So anyway, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna try to show us another one tomorrow. So anyway, stay tuned, and I hope you were entertained. I certainly did not know that was going to happen. I was like, what is going on? Out of all the houses that it was so many houses on that street available. I'm like, why is he coming in here?
But anyway, yeah, y'all, that made me feel like a whole cat burglar. But anyway, all right. I hope y'all have an amazing day. Thank you. Bye-bye.